Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by clarifying one goal for your Instagram. Why you're here will shape each step. Once decided, open the app and complete profile fields. Name, bio, link. Make your username searchable and your photo recognizable. Then, go straight to security. Enable two-step verification and save login methods. If you want analytics or ads, switch to a professional account now. This early setup saves time later and ensures your content reaches the right audience as you move forward. Now produce and organize content with intention. You should plan 3 to 5 static posts plus at least one reel that highlights your core message. Reels drive reach. Use the native camera or upload images at 1080px or higher for clarity. Edit quickly with built-in tools. Batch captions using a template. Hook, value, CTA, prepare a hashtag set, and pin a first comment with tags. Once done, schedule posts using Instagram's Creator Studio or a scheduler so you maintain consistency. When you publish, choose peak times for your audience and add a story to boost discovery. Stories and Reels work together. You must engage. Reply to comments and DMs within 24 hours to build momentum and signal relevance. Monitor insights for reach and saves. If performance drops, make sure your account isn't limited, switch up hashtag groups, and avoid repetitive text or ban tags. If problems persist, clear app cache, log out and back in, and retry posting. These quick fixes resolve most hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.